I'm Dr. Alan Widener from Massage Chair Relief, and today I want to discuss with you the concept of the split track. We're using the Osaki Duo Max as our example, but a split track, if you've watched any of my videos about the different types of tracks, there's an S track chair where the rollers go down the back and follow the path of the spine down to the low back. Then there's an L track where it goes underneath the seat and massages the butt, and some people also call that an SL track. Then you've got a J track where the rollers come down the back and then go down at an angle a little bit more so you can get a better stretch. And then you've got now the split track, which takes an L track chair and splits the track, and I'm saying splits fairly loosely, but it creates two different tracks. And when the chair goes into a stretch, those two different tracks can both extend further and you can get a better stretch. And we're going to show you how the split track works, because the split track has a roller mechanism for each portion of the track. So let's go down first of all, and hopefully you can see this. It's a little tight, but if you look down here, you can see the roller track. This is the roller track, and it extends all the way down underneath the seat. This bracket right here is the segment that joins the lower part of the track with the upper part of the track. It's almost like a hinge that attaches the two ends of the track together. Now, hopefully you can see that. It's a little tough to see because we can't take out the track to show the split track. But as we come out, I want you to also see the two roller tracks, or the two roller mechanisms. You've got a roller mechanism for the lower track and a roller mechanism for the upper track. And these are quad rollers. So you've got 4 rollers here, 2 upper ones, 2 lower ones, and 2 and 4 down here in the low back. Now, or in the low back and in the buttock. Now I'm going to turn them on, and you'll be able to see them in action. And this is the first time we've actually ever shown a live demo of how the split track works. You'll see that the upper track is working on the upper part of the spine, and it'll eventually go down. But this one, the lower roller mechanism, primarily focuses on the low back and then back underneath the seat again. That is the split track, 2 different tracks working, and then they hinge on that one little bracket that we showed you at the beginning of the video. But that is essentially how that's how a roller mechanism works on a massage chair, and that is how, and now you can see this one is doing tapping, and the different modalities of a roller mechanism are kneading, like this one's doing here, it's kneading, and then you have tapping. And then you can also combine them. You'll see them combined, and I don't know if this video will be long enough. Now this one is kneading. You see that one doing the kneading, and this one's doing kneading, and then oftentimes you'll have kneading and tapping or compression at the same time. But that is how a split track works. This is the split track of the Osaki Duo Max, but it's very similar to other split tracks, but some of them have 4 rollers down here, 2 rollers up here, some have 2 here and 2 there, but the bottom line is you've got 2 roller mechanisms that are working on your spine at the same time. So it's like having 8 different fingers or 8 different elbows or 8 different knuckles that are kind of working on your muscles at the same time. Pretty cool. And you can also hear how quiet it is without the padding or the linen covering. Very, very quiet mechanism. These chairs have come so far in terms of the quality of the roller mechanisms and the quality of the chair. Now it's very, very quiet in most chairs. You can hardly hear anything. As a matter of fact, we're the only ones in this showroom. I'm doing all the talking, but if I stop for a moment, you can hardly hear anything coming from the rollers. It's pretty fascinating what they've done with this whole technology since the beginning of the building of massage chairs in the late 1950s. But anyways, that's a split track roller track with a dual roller mechanism, 4 rollers on the top, 4 rollers on the bottom. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please feel free to thumbs up, like us on our YouTube channel, and help us spread the word about massage chairs by sharing this video or any of our videos with your friends and family through your various and sundry social media platforms. I'm Dr. Alan Widener from Massage Chair Relief, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.